girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Azja if you guys are new here, and on this channel we focus on everything beauty related. So if you are not already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit your bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload new content. So if you guys are not new here on my channel, then you know that I have been a 6+ year freelance makeup artist. And I did also just complete cosmetology school to be licensed to also do hair. But with that being said, I did have the opportunity to take a course through Online Makeup Academy. They are a makeup academy that is based out in New York. They wanted to give my opinion on their online makeup course, and I think that's so cool because like I said, I have been doing freelance makeups for 6+ years, so I pretty much jumped in the game, had to learn everything on my own and tweak some things just from doing my own research. Okay, so one thing I will say though is this is going to be a true and honest opinion from my own personal experience with taking their course. One thing that you guys are going to get on this channel is transparency, okay? I will never lie to y'all. I will always keep it a buck, and I will always be 100% truthful with you guys on my experience with any product that I may be reviewing on this channel. So with that being said, when they did reach out, I kind of was a little like, let's see, I'm not sure. You know, I was like, I don't know. You know, I've been doing makeup for so long. I don't know if that would be a fit for me. But then they let me know, okay, girl, period, that's fine. We do have an elite program as well. And the elite program is for people who may have already been doing makeup for a while and they want to advance their skills. Maybe they want to do more professional settings like photo shoots, editorials, fashion shoots, and things like that, which I thought was a great option for me because that is something I eventually want to get into. So I was like, fine, let me go ahead and check out and see what they were talking about, okay? And I did do my own research, and from what other people were saying, they had a really great experience with this. So then that kind of made me be like, okay, let me just see what they're actually talking about. So when I went ahead and launched the course, I really appreciate how they took the time to really just explain. One, they introduced themselves and they said what they do, their profession, what they focus on, and how long they've been doing it. I really love how they went and honed and explained on kind of like an overall of what the course is going to be including. But then I did notice once I started taking more of the course, they went even more in depth of what each section is going to be about. One of my favorite things that I loved about taking this course is, although I have been doing makeup for a little long, for 6+ years, it definitely allowed me to just either have a refresher or maybe find out some things that I really wasn't aware of. There was a lot of stuff that I was already aware of. Like I said, I've done my own research over the years. So, but it's also a really great thing to just freshen up on some of those skills, because sometimes we do get comfortable in the way that we do things, and maybe we kind of forget that it's best to do things another way. So I really like that as well. So they have a few different courses on their website, which I think is a great way to kind of branch out to all different types of skill levels. So if you are a beginner makeup artist and you're looking to start your career and you don't know where to start, you don't know what products you need, you just don't know, okay? You're just like, hey, I love makeup, I want to get into it, but I have no idea what even is the process. They have a great course. It's their beginner course, their master course. They have a great course where they literally tell you all the products that you're going to need, and they also provide you a makeup kit. A professional makeup kit will be sent to you, and you will be able to go ahead and start your makeup career with the products that they give you. And I think that is so nice because in the kit you have professional brands such as Smashbox, Makeup Forever, Inglot. I love Inglot. Their gel eyeliner especially, that's what I have on today. You're going to be able to just go ahead and start your career with the tips and tricks and tools that they will be providing you in this course. You'll go over bridal makeup depending on what course you choose. If you choose the advanced level 2 makeup course, you'll be going over editorials, fashion, creative makeup, how to build your portfolio. You're going to talk about business marketing. And if you end up taking the elite course, which is the one that I ended up taking, that actually comes with both of those package deals in one. So you'll get your professional kit, you'll get the 2 different courses, which is amazing because like I said, if you're just starting off, you'll get the tips and tricks on how to begin your career as a makeup artist, but then you'll also get the tips and tricks on how to finally branch yourself off into those other professional settings such as photo shoots, bridal, creative work, fashion shows, editorials, and things like that. Another thing that I really love about this course is they do teach you guys how to do hair. Now it's not going to be like a cosmetology school, but they teach you how to do a few different hairstyles so that if you're ever on set and someone's like, oh crap, my hairstylist canceled on me, or oh no, they weren't able to make it, or just something happens, you're able to be a 2-in-1 type of duo. And I always have told people, even when I was in cosmetology school, it is always great to have a second skill that you're able to provide to your clients. And it's always great to be able to have a second skill that kind of incorporates with each other and coordinates with each other, because like I said, you want to be a walking thread. Like if you're able to go on set and say, yeah, I can do hair and I can do makeup, now you're getting paid for both jobs and they don't have to call in somebody else to do either or. You can go ahead and do both. Like I said, depends on what kind of setting it is and if you have time. But like I said, it's always great to be able to provide a second service, because that also just ups your ticket price, which is also a good thing, because although we are passionate about what we're doing, we also are trying to make some money, okay? So yeah, that's another great thing. And the best part about all of this is when you are finished taking any of these courses, you will be provided a certificate of completion, which is amazing, because although in most states you do not need to be a licensed makeup artist to get into makeup, the fact that you can say that you went to an accredited school to get your to get your training and get a certificate of completion, it does still put credibility behind your name, and you're able to show that and add it to your portfolio and say, hey, I did go to an accredited professional makeup artist school. They taught me how to properly sanitize. They taught me how to properly match tone, skin tone, shades, face shapes, eye shapes, all of that. And that just allows people to take you more serious about your craft and what you're doing. I do want to talk about some of the benefits to taking the course through Online Makeup Academy. Now, I've never taken any makeup academy, any makeup courses really before. The great thing about taking the makeup courses through Online Makeup Academy is you'll be able to get 40% off of professional brands like NYX Cosmetics. And NYX is a great brand. Just, it is. I still use NYX to this day. So you'll get NYX Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Inglot. I told y'all Inglot is one of my favorite eyeliners. Brands like Beauty Blender. If y'all know anything, I'm sure y'all know about Beauty Blender brand. But there's also just so much other brands that you'll get 40% off, and which that is really, really amazing, because when you're starting out as a makeup artist, it can be a little hard and a little expensive to build your kit up the way that you want to, and to have some of those professional products ready and available for you. So the fact that you're able to get 40% off, that is a huge deal, okay? because some of these brands don't even give you 40% off when we have a Black Friday or even when the holidays come around. So lifetime 40% off just anytime you need to go buy a product from these brands, that's amazing. I think that's an amazing thing for anyone who is looking to build their kit. Another really great thing that I loved about this makeup academy is, even though the courses are online, it still felt very personal and it was very interactive, and I really like that. So you'll learn a set of skills, and then the instructor would like you to go ahead and demonstrate it and submit your video, and then they will go ahead and let you know if they see that you need any improvements, or where, you know, maybe you're doing good but maybe tweak it a little bit. And I just think that's amazing, because sometimes, girl, if I could pull up some pictures of when I very first started doing makeup, when I tell you, I'm embarrassed. Like, why didn't nobody tell me I looked crazy, okay? Why didn't nobody tell me I was out here looking crazy, okay? So it's really amazing that you have someone who's able to give you professional, good criticism about your work, and then you're able to just perfect as you go through the course. Even after you graduate and you get your certificate of completion, you will have lifetime access to these courses and a lifetime access to your membership to be able to get to the courses. And another thing that's awesome too is, if there's ever any updates or changes to the videos, you'll also be able to get the future updated videos as well. The great thing about Online Makeup Academy, if you sign up and take their courses, go at the pace that you want. You can do a few videos one day, take a break the next day, complete a whole section the next day after that. You can literally just pace yourself however you want. So that's why I was saying you can complete this course within a few weeks, probably even a few days if you're really that determined. And like I said, go ahead and get your certificate of completion at the end, and then start taking some clients, because you'll have the knowledge, the skills, and the kit to go ahead and start taking clients. Okay, you guys, so that concludes this video. But before we go, I do want to let you guys know that I will have a coupon code for you guys to use. I will put it on the screen here. It's going to be Azja Rene 100 off. Like I said, I'll put it right here as well, but it will also be in the description box. So please check down there for any missed information. If you want to know a little bit more about the brand, their link will be down below as well. But I really do encourage anyone who is looking to get into the makeup industry to go ahead and at least, at the very minimum, go visit their website, do your own research. I'm telling you guys, do your own research. I did my own research, and I actually found a lot of great reviews. But I found some other makeup artists. She said she had been in the industry for, I think, 6 or 7 plus years, probably even longer maybe. But she had been in the industry for quite some time, and she said that she went ahead and took the course and it was very beneficial to her. And so, like I said, she was the one that made me say, okay, let me just check it out. And when I tried it, I actually really enjoyed it. They have amazing information for anyone, and there is no age requirement for taking this course. Anyone who just wants to get into makeup as soon as you can, because you just have a fire burning passion for it, you can go ahead and sign up and take the course as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my review on the Online Makeup Academy. Like I said, this is 100% my honest opinion and my honest review on taking the courses. I did take the courses myself. I really do encourage you, if you are someone who wants to start, to go ahead and take it. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, let me know if you guys have taken this course before, or what you guys' thoughts were on it, and go ahead and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I post other beauty related content. But until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.